Hello and welcome to our quick tutorial offering a peek at how you can boost your business outcomes and results with data. For more tutorials like this though, be sure to hit our subscribe button and stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get started though. We're going to start with some of the basics of how data can improve business outcomes in a way like nothing else can. Data can provide insights that help businesses make better decisions, identify inefficiencies, and improve business outcomes. Data brings a better understanding of your customers' needs and preferences and gives a competitive advantage through viewing and analyzing the right metrics. When you have a complete understanding of your customers' wants and needs, you can increase customer satisfaction by meeting those needs. And yes, data literacy company-wide is key to driving a data-driven culture throughout your entire organization, and we will talk a little bit more about that later. So now let's talk about why data visualizations and dashboards are so important for business outcomes. First, dashboards make even the most complex and raw data easily digestible. Data visualizations can help everyone on a team get the insights quickly that they need. Rather than reading through pages of numbers or tables, data visualizations can present information in a way that is more accessible and intuitive. Secondly, data visualizations are the most effective way to communicate data to team members, stakeholders, and clients. Visuals can make it more memorable and engaging, and which you can then use to facilitate excellent discussions and collaboration. Third, by presenting data in a visual format, teams can make better decisions, identify areas where improvements can be made, and take the appropriate actions needed based on those insights. And finally, data visualizations can save time for teams so that they can quickly and easily interpret complex data without having to spend hours analyzing and interpreting spreadsheets or even bouncing between different URLs and applications to get insights from Google Analytics and then your insights from Google Ads somewhere else. It brings everything together into one area. So, how can you get the benefits out of data visualizations that we talked about, but in the most effective way? The answer is an all-in-one digital workplace. With an all-in-one digital workplace, you are getting improved data visibility. Data should be transparent and easy for people to find, search, and then use across all teams within your organization. Better decision making. When you collect and process data faster, you're able to use those insights to drive smarter, faster decisions, instead of just relying on your gut to make those gut-based decisions. You get enhanced collaboration. Within an all-in-one digital workplace, you can create conversations and tasks right off of your dashboards and data points to drive meaningful collaboration with your teams around your metrics and your goals. And lastly, data literacy. Growing your team's data literacy is key. Not only does bringing data front and center make people more confident to use data, but when you can put everything in terms and definitions that they understand, data starts to become a little less scary for people. Now, let's take a look at how Slingshot can help you and your teams. Slingshot is the all-in-one digital workplace that really does have it all, from tasks to team collaboration, and most importantly, it brings data together into beautiful dashboards so you can improve those business outcomes. Hello and welcome to Slingshot. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the data catalog within Slingshot to discover data, analyze it, and then use it to drive a conversation. As you hopefully know by now, Slingshot is your all-in-one digital workplace that brings together your different teams, departments, and projects all into one place where you have tasks, collaboration, content, and data all in one spot. If I come into my organization here, I'm inside of now my company's data catalog within the dashboard tab. Here is where, as a user, I can come and I can search for data that I need when I need it. So let's say that I need to look at the latest campaigns that we're running in marketing. I'm going to search on campaign, and I can see here who has last modified these dashboards that came up in my search. I can see the level of certification that they have as well. Gold being your highest standard, then you have silver and bronze. So for this particular dashboard, since it's a gold level certification, I know that this is trustworthy data that I can come to and view. As I start to now analyze some of these different numbers and metrics, I can see that in February, our spend and budget went totally down. And I want to find out why. So I'm going to come up here to our overflow menu. I am going to either start a chat or a discussion with a group of people. For this, let's stick with chat. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the product owners. And within my chat with the product owners, what this did was now pull in a live link right into this dashboard, as well as an image to the visual that I was maximized on at the time. I could use this button here to also go back into my dashboard and create some annotations as well. But for this, I'm just going to stick with this message, and I'm going to say, Miriam and Lee, why did we cut spend in February? And just like that, without the need of going from one tool to another, I went from analyzing my data into starting a discussion around my insights that I'm now seeing. And this is the real power of Slingshot. When you are able to bring all of the workflows needed in order to complete a project or to run processes better, in one single application, you can also increase your team's productivity as well.